as well. I love the way you said that. Remember that.
It's still kind of... It's going very quickly. It's separating. It's still going into the room.
So you can see what's happening.
Amazing.
Can you see what's happening? What's happening?
It's on the bottom. It looks like a pencil.
Good girl. Keep going.
Abby, it
Keep
looks like a
videoing.
pencil. Huh? It looks like a pencil. Yeah.
You guys go and draw that,
Harry Potter.
and we're going to record how long it takes.
Is that the last one? You like take them 1 minute. Don't take them a minute. Take them
Still going? How long is it going for?
It's 1 minute now.
Okay, go a little bit longer. Have you done that? Drawn it? Even write some words to describe the difference, what's happened. We've got 2 minutes left to do the last one. Are you ready to go? You're going to have to catch up later to write results, okay? Because you're my photographer.
Still going.
I would hit stop now.